Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add a YouTube channel link to your TikTok. All right. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, just go ahead and open up your TikTok app. Now, once you're in here, tap on your profile right here at the bottom right, tap on it and wait for it to load. Now, once it loads, I'm just going to go ahead and tap on edit profile. Okay. Just tap on it. Now in here, as you can see, we have bio and links. Now, if you want to, you could go ahead and use bio or just straight up links right here. Okay. For example, I'm going to tap on add right here besides links. Tap on it. Now in here, as you can see, we have the option for YouTube. Okay. You can go ahead and add in your Instagram and Twitter as well. Now I'm going to hit on add right here besides YouTube. Add. Okay. And wait for it to load. Now, once it loads, as you can see here, it will open up a web browser. You're going to want to go ahead and log in with your TikTok account. Okay. Now in here, it's going to ask you to choose your account or brand account. Okay. As you can see here, I have 3 brand accounts. Okay. And this one is directly linked to my YouTube. So I'm just going to go ahead and use this one. Okay. I'll wait for it to load. I'm going to hit on continue. I'll wait for TikTok app to load. And as you can see here, my other YouTube channel is now linked in my TikTok. Okay. I'm going to tap on back just for you to see. Right here, I'm going to tap on back. Now, as you can see, my YouTube channel right here is linked to my TikTok. That's basically how you do it. When someone taps on it, it will automatically open up their YouTube app. Okay, I'm going to hit on open right here, confirm, and there you have it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.